Okay, good morning to all. You have already studied about two properties of rational numbers, that is commutative property and closure property. Closure property is satisfied in case of addition, subtraction and multiplication, but in case of division, closure property is not satisfied. Also, commutative property is satisfied in case of addition and multiplication. In case of subtraction and division, commutative property is not satisfied. So next we are studying about the next property, that is associativity. Here also we have to find associative property satisfied in case of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So commutative property, for checking commutative property we take two rational numbers, and in this associative property we are taking three rational numbers. For any three rational numbers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. When this conditions is satisfied, then we can say that rational numbers under addition are associative. So we are consider an example. Minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6 is equal to, first we are to add this term, that is which we have written in the bracket. So we are writing minus 2 by 3 plus, the denominator of these two terms are different, so we want to cross multiply it. That is 3 into 6 18 plus 5 into minus 5 minus 25 divided by 5 into 6 30, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 18 plus minus 25. 18 plus minus 25 is minus 7 by 30. That is 18 plus and minus it form negative. So 18 minus 25. 18 minus 25 is minus 7. So minus 7 divided by 30. Here the denominator of these two terms are different, so we are cross multiplying. That is minus 2 into 30 minus 60 plus minus 7 into 3 minus 21 divided by 90, which is equal to minus 60 plus minus 21. It forms negative. This minus 60 minus 21 divided by 90, which is equal to minus 60 minus 21. We are adding, that is minus 81 divided by 90, and minus sign is for the greatest value. There is a minus sign for the greatest value 60, so we are putting negative sign for this. Next we are checking. We check the first left hand side, we have checked. Now we have to check the value. The same value is in right hand side. So minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6, that is equal to, this denominator is different, so we want to cross multiply it. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10 plus 3 into 3 9 divided by 3 into 5 15 plus minus 5 by 6, which is equal to minus 10 plus 9, that is minus 1 divided by 15 plus minus 5 by 6, that is equal to, you want to cross multiply this. So minus 1 into 6 minus 6 plus minus 5 into 15 minus 75 divided by 90, that is minus 6 minus 75 divided by 90, which is equal to minus 81 divided by 90. Here we are adding these two terms. So LHS and RHS are equal. So we can say that rational numbers under addition are associative. Next one, subtraction. For any three rational numbers a, b and c, a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. So it is, for example, when the value of left hand side and right hand side are equal, then we can say that subtraction, rational numbers under subtraction are associative. So we are considering an example. Minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to, first we are to subtract the terms which are in bracket. So minus 2 by 3 minus, denominator is different, so we are cross multiplying them. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 1 into 5 5 divided by 5 into 2 10. So minus 2 by 3 minus 8 minus 5 minus 30 divided by 10. Here also denominator is different, so we are cross multiplying is minus 2 into 10 minus terms positive, that is minus 2 by 3 plus 13 by 10. Minus 20 plus 13 into 3 39 divided by 30, that is minus 20 plus 39, we are subtracting 19 divided by 30. Next is minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to, the denominator is different, so we want to cross multiply. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 divided by 3 into 5 15 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 10 plus 12 divided by 15 minus 1 by 2. Minus 10 plus 12, 2 by 15. 2 by 15 minus 1 by 2. When we are cross multiplying, we get 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into 15 15 divided by 30. 4 minus 15 11 minus 11 divided by 30. LHS is 19 by 30 and RHS is minus 11 by 30. So LHS and RHS are not equal. So we can say that under subtraction, rational numbers under subtraction are not associative. Next is multiplication. For any three rational numbers a, b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. For example, we want to show that this left side and right side, solution of left side and right side are equal. So for example, minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 9 equal to minus 7 by 3 into, first we are multiplying the terms in bracket, 5 by 4 into 2 by 9, 5 into 2 10, 4 into 9 36, 10 by 36. Then we are multiplying this, 7 into minus 7 into 10 minus 70, 36 into 3 108. So left side, value of solution of left side is this. Then we have to check the value of right side. Minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 9 equal to minus 7 into 5 minus 35 divided by 12 into 2 by 9 minus 35 into 2 minus 70 divided by 12 into 9 108. So solution of left hand side and right hand side are equal. So rational numbers under multiplication are associative. Next is division. For any three rational numbers a, b and c, a divided by b divided by c equal to a divided by b divided by c. When these two conditions are equal, it is we want to show that left hand side and right hand side are equal. Solution of left hand side and right hand side are equal. So we are considering three rational numbers: 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. First we want to divide the bracketed one, that is 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. This can be written as 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 into 5 by 2. We want to multiply this. 1 by 2 divided by minus 5 divided by 6. This can be written as 1 by 2 divided by minus 5 by 6. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 6 by minus 5. When multiplied, solution is 6 divided by minus 10. So left hand side solution is that. Then our right hand side solution, 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is can be written as 1 by 2 into 3 by, reciprocal of minus 1 by 3 is 3 by minus 1. So 1 by 2 into 3 by minus 1 divided by 2 by 5. That is 3 divided by minus 2 divided by 2 by 5. Can be written as 3 into 3 by minus 2 into the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. That is 15 divided by minus 4. Solution of LHS and solution of RHS are different. So division is not associative under division. Sorry, rational numbers under division is not associative. Next one is additive identity. Additive identity means we are considering a rational number. We are considering a rational number 2 divided by 5. We want to add a term with this rational number, so that we want to get the answer 2 by 5. So we are considering a rational number 2 by 5. So with 2 by 5 we want to add a number. When we add a number with 2 by 5, the solution is 2 by 5. 2 by 5ന്റെ കൂടെ ഏത് നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലാണ് നമുക്ക് 2 by 5 തന്നെ സൊല്യൂഷൻ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്നത്? It is 0. So only value is 0. So same 3. 3 is a rational number. 3 plus dash equal to 3. 0. Test minus 1 by 2 plus dash equal to minus 1 by 2. Also 0. So this 0 is known as additive identity. The 0 is known as the additive identity. So 0 is called the additive identity of rational numbers. Here we saw different examples. Next is, we are considering a rational number 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into dash is equal to 2 by 5. Which term should be multiplied with 2 by 5 to get solution 2 by 5? The only term is 1. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 is a rational number. minus 1 by 2 into dash is equal to minus 1 by 2. Which number should be multiplied with minus 1 by 2 get the solution minus 1 by 2? It's also 1. 4 into dash is equal to minus 1 by 2. Which number should be multiplied with 4 to get which number should be multiplied with 4 to get the solution 4? That is also 1. Okay. 1 into 1 equal to 1 into dash is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Minus 1 into dash equal to minus 1. Number should multiplied with minus 1 is 1 to get the answer minus 1. So this 1 is known as multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative identity. So 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity of rational numbers.